Namaste, my name is Balaji. We are here on this YouTube channel dedicated on financial astrology. Before I talk about specific aspects of this topic, um let me just give you a brief scenario that we all face, and that being the very context where financial astrology will help us. So, let us understand the context first. We all want to live a life which is fulfilling. We have ambitions, we have goals, and we all try in our ways. Definitely, our willpower, our confidence, our courage, our efforts, makes the result. And there is something, there is something we always wanted to know: is there a way to make right choices? And it's not that everybody has made a conscious decision, have chosen themselves the education that they are pursuing, the career that they are pursuing, or the business they are working on. At times, it just happens like, okay, for the mark that I scored in a school, I got into this group, and for the mark I scored, I got into this education, and some are okay with that. Some wanted to shift it after some time. Some people, they have studied something, they do work in some other field. It always happens. Yes, definitely, not only in terms of finance, in terms of profession, even in general as a life, we always needed some guidance which is not readily available in any platform, because we have not consciously made an effort to understand, explore things, and then logically make some decisions. We feel something is good. We know it's more emotionally, we think, no, this will suit us. We value certain things and we do. And at times, it may not be the best thing that you can do, or it may be working at some point in time and didn't work after some point of time. So all these variations in terms of one's ability to live a professional life, build a career, and have financial freedom, it's something, it's everybody, almost all of us have some concern, some issues that needs more clarity. Yes, definitely. Our thinking, our rational and logical approach will definitely help us identify what needs to be done, make a decision, and move forward. But what if there is a means, if there is a source that is able to give an insight which is not readily available? By exploring ourselves, looking at ourselves, we are not able to identify, but it is in a plane where it is neutral and very authentic and proven through ages. If such a tool is there, definitely anybody would like to make use of that tool. Now, it's really not evident or quite understood that financial astrology is a tool for it. Many people may not be aware of this particular specialized focus in astrology. It's nothing new. It is there in India, in be it any part of the country, even Western world. To some extent, in Western world, it's more pronounced, especially in financial markets. Great people like W.D. Gann and all, they visited many places. They've been to India, have learnt Indian astrology also, but they made a subtle note, and indirectly was trying to tell things that planetary positions, planetary cycles has some correlation to the financial market cycles. So that way, at least that exposure is there in Western countries. Whereas in India, we had a clear cut approaches to build wealth. If you see Hindu way of looking at it, Ganapati, the god who is related to the Mooladhara Chakra, which is related to the earth plane and earth level activities, material success. You will find in many pictures below Ganapati, one side there is Lakshmi, and other side there is Kubera. The wealth, once your energy field, your aura, your chakra is opened up, energized at the base level of Mooladhara, that potential energy definitely unleashes many way of financial success. And evidently there are two approaches to build wealth. One is Lakshmi Tattva, another one is Kubera Tattva. What is it? We will see. But before that, we will try to see what is the use of such approaches. Now, let's assume if there is some insight as you have an innate potential to grow more successfully in a particular field, that you are able to choose that as your education, you are able to make a choice to go for a business or to go for a job. And in business you have an idea whether you can do a business in partnership or you have to do it alone. Even after that you have earned some money, which form of wealth you are likely to sustain and grow? Is it gold or is it real estate? You should go for funds and portfolios where you gain interest. All these ideas, if there is some guidance, it's possible that you explore it, and that gives you a much better and broader arena for you to really explore, make informed decision and move forward in life. So that is what we are going to focus on this. Astrology is a ocean, it's a bigger flat platform. It asks everything. Whether we are able to understand it, have we come up to that level, is the only question. Yes, definitely we are not trying to look at luck. We are not trying to substitute it anything from hard work or your intelligence or your effort, your skill set. Nothing of that sort. It's as simple as that. Say for example, you are traveling from one place to another place, point A to point B. You can just start and reach point B. But nowadays, for example, there is a tool app which shows which one is the shortest route or where there is a traffic congestions. Now, first thing what it does is you are more confident. You have a clarity as you are making a better choice, and these are the aspects you need to take care and plan and be ready to prepare. So you are at your best to do that. So that is the thing astrology will do. There is no substitute for hard work and your capability, but you are well informed, you are more confident, you have clarity. That is important at every level, mental level, physical level, even at to some extent your relationship and hence personal level. And when you pair it up with Vastu, even your environment level, there are vibrations, there are energies that is going to lift up your spirit, bring the best alignment out of you and align it to the cosmos in a way that you are at your best and you are at a advantageous position to grow in a way that will give you the professional life, which is again rewarded not only in terms of financial success but also in other walks of life which are related to your personal well-being and personal life, relationships, arts, any interest that you have got. You have more time, you have more clarity in your mind, you are at your best to enjoy those other aspects of life. So me being a person who have gone through many hardships in terms of really choosing a field, going onto a job and trying to stick onto the job, and then make a financial a formula which works for me, to make myself sustained among all the varied financial challenges which everyone goes through. All this exploration, I'm a person who is parallelly not only trying to solve it at my intelligence level, I was always constantly looking out for some source of knowledge which might aid me to handle it in a better way. Because problems, there is nothing new. It has been through ages. If it exists now, it existed much earlier, maybe in a different version, in different scale, in different attributes. But essentially, anybody who is trying to stand up on their own, trying to make a living out of a business or a job, definitely will have ups and downs, and they are in a situations where they need to make decisions, and they have always tapped into some source which really helps them to see things which they are not able to see otherwise. That source varies in many places, in many times, but that is always related to the base, the supreme source, that is cosmos. One way of tapping that potential from the cosmos is astrology, in which we will look into financial astrologies in this YouTube channel. Definitely, in the coming days, I will be sharing some experiences which I was able to understand the potential sacred secrets that can help us even in this modern day context when it is applied in a holistic way. It has to work in your body, in your mind, and even in your environment. It is a process. So that structured process, which I have attained through about a decade of exploration, hard work, and hardships, I would like to share with as many people as possible. Maybe it is helpful for someone at some point in time, and that being the interest, I have come up to share this in this YouTube channel, and I definitely encourage you to stay connected by subscribing to this channel, and also help me to reach as many people as possible by sharing this video. Thank you so much.